my most long-wearing lip tints from affordable to high-end. Okay, first is from Absidy. This is their Glazing Lip Serum. We have 3 shades. This has a glossy finish, yet it's very comfy and has a long-wearing formula. Okay, we have 1 ml BB shade. We have another one that is a dupe for my Dior, my favorite Dior lip tint. This is a neutral red shade, but super nice and wearable even though it looks like this. Usually, I just apply it here at the middle center of my lips. Okay, let me show you the tint it leaves. Look. Next, we have one from Baron Bliss. This is their Peach Makes Perfect Lip Tint. I super love the shade. This is in the shade 06. First swatch, it looks red, but once you remove the product, it leaves a pink tint. I use this if I want to look instantly fresh. Again, also at the middle center of my lip. And if you want a matte, lightweight lip tint, this one's from For You Too. This is their Lip Jelly Tint. This one's nice for no makeup days because it dries down matte. Here's the tint it leaves. I also like using my For You Too lip tints as a base layer because it's matte, like for overlining my lips. Lastly, we have my Dior Lip Lacquer Plump. I think Dior discontinued this, but this one really stays on the lips. Okay, look. Wala pa tong 10 seconds. Look at the tint.